Hi guys, have you ever wondered why Friday is one of the most special days in different countries in the world? That's what I'm going to be examining in this video. Why Friday is a crucial day in different societies, in different countries out there. And by the way, if you didn't know, in summary, Friday is a very special day because it is actually bridging the weekdays and the weekend, and actually is one of the special days which kickstarts people's social lives, as you're gonna see in this video. You are all much welcomed to the Money Daily YouTube channel. I'm yours, Afagza Sifuna. Having said that, how are Fridays usually like in your country? Right? Drop a comment down below in the comment section. How are Fridays usually like in your country? Are they the coolest day of the week? Or are they the most busy day of the week? Are they the most boring day of the week? And so forth. Drop a comment down below in the comment section. Let's continue discussing them. And by the way, if it is your first time here, I'd really appreciate if you can consider subscribing to this channel. Because if you subscribe to this channel, you're going to be getting daily video on how to increase your money and also how to address different aspects of your life. Having said that, I'm going to be talking about Fridays from the context of how the situation is normally in Kenya. But be certain it is actually the same situation in most countries out there. So, the very first thing, with regards to the corporate culture, in a good number of countries and also a good number of companies, multinationals out there, Friday is the day which they allow their employees to kind of dress down. You know, it is a day of casual wear. As long as it is decent, anything goes. And visit most of the offices out there on Friday, you're going to see, for example, people are dressed in jeans, in t-shirts, and so forth. It's because it's kind of like a semi-relaxing day on Friday leading into the weekend, which I think, by the way, it is something pretty good, right? And then, on the personal fronts, Fridays are also days for people to network, to bond with their friends. Chances are, if it isn't an official business thing, people most of the times schedule meetings, schedule meetups with friends to happen on Friday. And that's so because they can actually come together and have ample time. Most of you talking about maybe past 4 p.m. in the course of the day, have ample time to bond, to catch up, to enjoy a meal, to enjoy a drink together, and then see how the evening is gonna pan out, right? And related to that, another third thing, which is crucial and happens in Friday, is that also it is the day where actually people consume lots of alcoholic beverage out there and also eat out a lot. And that also aligns to weekdays out there being very busy, and as it culminates to the end of the week, Friday essentially, the work kind of like tones down, or rather, people have done lots of the work, so they're preparing for the weekend mode. So they're able even to plan how they're gonna eat out, you know, how they're gonna bond over alcoholic beverages out there, how they're going to bond over, for example, over a meal in a takeaway place, or even visit unique restaurants in town, and so forth. So even Fridays in Kenya, more so in urban centers, are days where you see, for example, people going to eat out, engaging in different kind of beverages out there, and so forth, which actually also assist lighten up the mood and assist them feel a sense of reward after working so hard in the course of the week, right? And then a fourth thing, which is very crucial and also happens on Fridays, is that also for other people, Fridays are actually the onset of bonding with their families. Of course, for most families which have, for example, a working parent or even a parent who works, or both parents out there working, they are very busy in the course of the week. No lie about that. They are very busy, and even the meetings in the house is just very rapid. But Friday, people can be able to create ample time, whereby they start bonding with their families to know how the week has been for everyone, and even to share the differences which have been going on in their lives and plan better for the next week as a family. So Fridays are a special day for most people out there because they start talking about matters relating to family. Catch up on how each and everyone's week has been, even plan what they're going to do over the weekend, whether they're talking about religious activities, household chores, visiting places, and so forth. So Fridays are a special day even for the onset of bonding of families, right? And then the last thing which I think is very crucial, and actually it is a recreational activity. It is an activity just for cool off, ensure any pressures in life are addressed, is that Fridays are also days where people play games a lot and even enjoy watching, for example, a game of football if there's any on Friday, and so forth. So this is kind of like a recreational activity which assists someone divert their attention from the main cause or the main things which have been happening in the course of the week, and at least focus on lesser intense things which give them joy. Like, for example, playing a game. Like, for example, we find someone is very engaged in a game of snooker, okay? You find, for example, someone is very engaged in a game of chess, You find, for example, someone is a fanatic of the Premier League. So, Fridays leading into Saturday are some of the crucial times when someone gets time to catch up on these games and actually revive their inner spirit, feel much better after engaging in them, right? Those are the 5 crucial things which happen in Friday, and I think they assist someone improve their quality of life. What do you think? What happens on Friday in your countries? Drop a comment down below. Let's continue discussing there. But I think Friday is one of the most crucial days of the week because it is actually bridging between the weekday and weekends, and it assists people cool off some of the steam out there, cool off some of the pressures out there, actually assisting them enjoy their weekend. What do you think? Thanks a lot for watching this video. I look forward to share with you other awesome videos next time. Bye bye, and you all take care.